Did you know your white clothes can look brighter after just 30 minutes? Tonight I'll show a no-bleach trick with OxiClean. Quick. Pre-soak, hot wash, fast dry. No harsh chemicals, just simple steps for cleaner, whiter laundry. The secret to getting white clothes whiter is a quick pre-soak that loosens stains before the wash. In Section 1, we're dialing in key point 1. Pre-soak with hot water and an oxygen-based cleaner, no chlorine bleach needed. Think of it as a spa day for your whites, warm water, a gentle lift, and plenty of breathing room for fibers. Look at the problem. A mountain of dirty whites piled on the chair, socks with grass, a coffee-stained pillowcase, a tee that's faded gray around the collar. If you've ever wondered how to bring that brightness back, this is where you start. First, the setup. Grab basin or sink and fill it with hot water. Aim for about 120–140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49–60 degrees C, if the fabric label says. It's safe. Hot water helps loosen oils, lifts sunscreen smudges from sleeves, and loosens starch-based soils so the wash can do the heavy lifting later. Second, your oxygen-based cleaner. Add 1 scoop of OxiClean per gallon of water as the base soak. If you're dealing with multiple white items or very stained zones, you can go for 2 scoops per gallon, but avoid making a syrupy mess. You want a clear, moving soak, not a foggy bath. This is the no-bleach route, yet it's powerful. Enough to brighten without turning fabrics brittle. Third, separate white items from any colors. White socks, shirts, and pillowcases keep colors out. To avoid color transfer, submerge evenly, press down so everything is moored in contact with solution, and resist the urge to scrub harshly. The goal is a gentle lift, not a fiber fight. Fourth, soak time. Light soils, 10 minutes. Moderate to heavy soils, 15 to 20 minutes. If stubborn stains resist after 15 minutes, you can give them a second quick 5-minute soak, but don't push beyond 30 total. While this is happening, you can skim around the laundry room, wipe the counters, and set up the next step in your mind. 30 minutes goes by faster than you think. Here's a little side anecdote. To keep it light, I once soaked a pair of white socks and found one sock had secretly vanished into the dryer lint trap years ago. It reappeared like a magician's rabbit when I pulled the load. It was so funny the kids started a missing sock joke that lasted all week. After soaking, wring gently to remove excess water and move straight to the wash. The before picture is visible, dull, grayish whites with stubborn stains. The after you'll see in Section 2 will be a brighter baseline, ready for the hot wash and fast dry that follow. Now a quick prompt: what stains give you the most trouble on white clothes? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss Section 2. We'll show the hot wash, the right temperature, and the quick dry trick that makes it all sing. That's it, the secret to making white clothes whiter in 30 minutes. A pre-soak, a hot wash, and a fast dry, no bleach needed. Before you start, check the socks and any stains. Soak the dirty items for a few minutes, then run a high temperature wash in the machine with your favorite laundry booster. No bleach, maybe an OXO boost. After the cycle, tumble dry or air dry. You'll see brighter white after the wash. If you like this, drop a comment with your before and after results. Subscribe for more tips and share with friends who hate dingy laundry. See you in the comments. Thanks for watching.